So, hello classmates, how are you? Today, in this class, we will talk about the law of reflection, how light bounces. One of the simplest but the most important concepts in physics and optics. So, first, what does reflection mean? What does reflection mean? Reflection happens when light hits a surface and bounces back instead of passing through it. The easiest example is a mirror. When you look in a mirror, light from your face hits the mirror and reflects back to your eyes, forming an image. So now, what does the law of reflection says? The law of reflection says this: the angle of incidence equals the angle of reflection. Angle incidence equal angle of reflection. So now let's imagine that this is a mirror and we have a straight line here. So it will reflect their light into the mirror. Wait. The imaginary line perpendicular to the mirror is called the normal line. The angle between the incident ray and the normal is the angle of incidence. The angle between the reflected ray and the normal is the angle of reflection. According to the law, those two angles are always equal. This law applies to both smooth and raw surfaces, but the results look different. On smooth surfaces, like mirrors, the rays reflect evenly. This is regular reflection, which forms clear images. On raw surfaces, like paper or walls, the rays scatter. This is diffuse reflection, which doesn't form clear images but still lets us see objects. To summarize all this information, we know that light reflects when it hits a surface. The angle of incidence equals the angle of reflection, and smooth surfaces reflect clearly, raw ones scatter. Simple, right? Every time you look in a mirror, you are seeing the law of reflection in action. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you enjoy and learn about the law of reflection, and see you next time. Bye.